Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Alvira Sanisivanora. I'm Visual Communication Design of Institute Teknologi Sumatera. Visual Communication Design, also known as graphic design, is a field of study and creative practice that focus on how message, ideas, and information can be effectively conveyed through visual media. It is not merely about creating beautiful image, but about using visual element as a form of meaningful communication. In the modern world, visual communication design plays a crucial role in the creative industry because of its ability to connect message with human emotion, perception, and behaviors. Through elements such as color, shape, line, texture, typography, and layout. Visual communication designers aim to create work that capture attention, evoke emotion, and clearly deliver meaning. The main purpose of visual communication design is to communicate message efficiently, aesthetically, and persuasively, allowing audience to understand and interpret the intent meaning without relying solely on text. The scope of visual communication design is vast and continues to expand alongside technological development and the growing need for visual information. In advertising, for instance, visual communication design is used to build brand identity, attract customer interest, and establish emotional connection between product and audience. In the digital industry, visual communication design plays a central role in user interface and user experience design, where visual appearance and interactivity determine how people engage with digital products. Beyond that, visual communication design is also applied in publishing, filmmaking, typography, photography, animation, packaging design, and various other forms of media communication. Through their design, visual communicators not only create visually appealing works but also educate, persuade, and inspire social, cultural, and environment awareness. Visual communication designer is not only expected to master technical skills using the design software, but also to possess critical thinking and strategic problem-solving abilities. They must understand their audience, the social and the cultural context, and the purpose behind its visual message. Design principles such as balance, contrast, unity, rhythm, and emphasis serve as fundamental guidelines to achieve harmony and clarity in communication. Therefore, visual communication design is not merely about Visual communication design is not merely about visual appeal, but about creating meaningful message that influence perception and behavior. In today's digital era, the role of visual communication design has become more dynamic and complex. Visuals are no longer static. They exist in motion and interactive form through digital platforms such as social media, website, mobile application, and emerging technologies like augmented reality or AR and virtual reality or VR. Designer must continuously adapt, learning new technologies and global visual trends to remain relevant and innovative. Moreover, visual communication design serves as a key tool for building visual identities for organizations, brands, and individuals, where consistent use of logos, color, and typography communicates core values and identity. Ultimately, visual communication design represents the intersection of art, technology, and communication. It is not only about creating beauty but also about shaping perception, influencing culture, and facilitating understanding across different societies. In a world increasingly dominated by visual information, visual communication design has become a universal language, transcending word, borders, and cultural to deliver messages that are impactful, memorable, and deeply meaningful. Thank you.